Alright, day 3 of the teardown. You see, I got the speakers out, and just a matter of getting the wire. These are for my mid-range amps, and not much else to do. Don't really have to take them out, but if you're gonna gut it, you might as well completely gut it. These are the wires going to my amps. 0 gauge, couple strands of it, you know. Big wire, but the big boy is coming out. Triple stack magnets. I think it was 375 ounces or something like that, but 8 gauge wires going to them, so it's a real deal, man, real deal. But as of now, they're on retirement, about to go into hibernation for a while, so stay tuned. I'll be back. The box is basically out. Just waiting on my homeboy to get here, so I won't strain myself taking that son bitch out of here. So basically out. You know what I'm saying? Right now, while he's on his way, I'm just gonna get the spaghetti out of here, and it's wasn't really bad, wasn't too bad, wasn't too sloppy with it, but completely gut it, start over, man. That's what it's all about. So do it right, then do it again. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and snatch these A-pillars out of here, because if I don't do it now, I won't be wanting to do it. As you can see, they work flawless, but it's my first time ever doing something like that. So let's snatch these two out, redo them. I may throw two 3.5s this time, so it won't be as bulky, and put the 5 1/4s in the console. So I'll keep y'all posted. Alright, YouTube, we're back. A-pillars is down, box is out. Homeboy Chef came through today. Back down the factory, man. It's over. About to clean this stuff up. Get back at you on the bills. Peace. You don't want no big boy box.